Hi, so today on Life Journeys, I'll be challenging my aunt to eat a whole bag of hot chips without any drink.
Welcome to Life's Journey. Okay, welcome y'all to Life's Journey. So today, oh geez, here we go. All right, I'm here with my nephew. I have these flaming hot Funyuns. And which ones do you have?
The flaming hot Cheetos.
Flaming hot Cheetos. And we're going to each eat the whole bag with nothing to drink. And we're going to see who can finish first. Now, I do not like hot things. So, this is really going to be a challenge for me. But anyway, I'm ready because I'm a little hungry and I want a snack. So.
I'll be right back.
Why?
Do something.
What?
Never mind.
Where are you trying to go? You ready? Here you go. I'm not even going to think about it. I felt something hot in my tongue. I feel a little hot. Oh my god. I definitely feel hot on my tongue. You? He already eats hot stuff, so I don't know how this is a challenge for him. Oh my god, I feel it. I'm gonna try. I'm never gonna give up. I might die today. Oh my god. I don't know, how do people eat hot stuff? Really? Maybe I should do that. Let me put. I'll put two in my mouth at once. I need a drink. My tongue is hot. If I stop chewing, oh, that's when I feel it. Oh God. Are you chewing? Oh my god, I can't even talk right now. If you, I can't talk. If you're chewing, it's not bad. Well, as soon as you stop, oh my god. I don't know if I can. Okay, two more. You almost done? Your mouth ain't hot? I want to give up.
When I eat hot stuff, I think of drinking a drink. I think of it as a drink.
I have a case of Powerades right here. I keep looking at them. I want to just pull one out and drink it. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat all of this. It's not that bad when you're chewing. I already said that, I know. It's when you stop and then your tongue. Now the roof of my mouth. And I feel it in my nose. I think those are probably harder because you got a lot. And these are bigger, but I still got a lot to go.
Oh, you just ate one.
One fell and the dog ate it. Your mouth can be on fire. I need a drink. I ain't nowhere. We should have timed ourselves for 5 minutes. You guys like hot chips? Comment down below. Tell us what flavor you like.
You know
I don't even feel like it's going anywhere. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna make me feel. I thought it was gonna be like a hot wing. My eyes were gonna be watering and everything. But only my tongue is hot. My husband is gonna be so proud. Look, I'm eating hot chips. He's almost done. I'm so ready for a drink. Oh.
Alright. On my last.
Even if these wasn't hot, it would be hard to just eat a bag without drinking. I'm thirsty. I'm looking around like for a cup. I need a cup with some ice in it so I can pour this Gatorade in it. Woo! My mouth. Woo! Who fell out? Nope, ring light fell. I'm gonna get us a cup with ice. I gotta go get a cup with ice, y'all. I can't. Does it look better? Okay, stay up. You must Powerade.
I'm done. I'm done.
He won! Which I knew he would. And I was just waiting for him to finish, so I can say I'm done. Oh, sorry. I'm so thirsty. Purple Powerade. Oh my god. I feel better. It really is not that bad because the hotness doesn't stay with you. Like once I'm drinking, I can actually keep eating these. Do I want to though? Not really. But they're not bad.
Let's try.
I did it. I was so scared of these chips.
These are harder.
Hmm?
The Cheetos are harder than that.
I'm glad I had the good ones. But I don't think we said welcome to life's journey. Welcome back with another video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Share. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be back again with some more videos. Thanks for watching.